guys, it's me, my Reborn, and I'm back with another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my bottle and my fake formula. Before I get started, I just want to say there's tons of different ways that you guys can make you guys' formula. Like a lot of people use detergent, a lot of people use baby powder, a lot of people use glue, but I'm going to show you guys my way that I use it. So before I get started, I want to show you guys everything you would need. So you would need a bottle, doesn't matter what kind of bottle, doesn't matter what size, you just need a bottle. Then you need some water, and I just have this water bottle. And then you'll need some lotion, and I'm going to be using this type of lotion because I don't really like using like Victoria's Secret or Bath and Body Works because I feel like this one works better. And then you will need some vanilla extract. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take off the cap to your bottle. And then you want to grab your water and put some water inside of the bottle. So I'm going to be doing, because this is a 4-ounce bottle, I'm going to be doing 2.5 ounces, or maybe just 2 ounces. So, alright. So I have my water in my bottle. So after that, I am going to be putting some lotion inside of my bottle. And I am going to be doing about 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is me just guesstimating how much lotion I will need. So this is what it looks like. After you put your lotion in, you just want to put your top back on your bottle, and then shake it. Oh, wait. Let me make sure I have it on all the way. Okay. And in my opinion, if you just only use lotion and water, it does it pretty good if you don't have anything else to use. But I personally like to give it a darker tint. So this is what it looks like with just lotion and water. And of course you can leave it with the lotion and water, but I personally just like to give it a little yellower tint because it's like really white, and we want to make it look like formula, not like actual milk. So sorry that it keeps getting blurry eyed. Alright, so you just want to take your vanilla extract and you just want to add about a few drips. Not a lot because you don't want it too dark. Alright, can you guys see that? Alright. So I added in my vanilla extract. And I am going to put the cap back on. And I'm going to shake it back up. Alright, so if you're not satisfied with that, okay, so I'm going to be adding a few more drops because I know if you add in too much, it's not going to get to the right color. So you always just want to be careful when adding some. Alright, that should be enough. Okay, so I'm going to put my cap back on so I won't spill any vanilla extract. And then I am going to put my top back on the bottle. Then I am going to shake it up. And voila, here is your formula. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below video request, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.